Good morning to all. The last day we saw the definition of minors and cofactors of element of the determinant. Minors of an element of a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing that element. So, find minors and cofactors of elements of determinant A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Minor of element A11 is equal to, denoted by M11. Minor of an element is the determinant obtained by deleting the row and column that containing A22, A23, A32, A33. Minor of A12 is equal to M12. Delete the row and column containing the element A12. Then we get a determinant A21, A23, A31 and A33. Minor of the element A13, first row and third column, that was denoted by M13. The determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing the element A13. Then we get the determinant A21, A22, A31, A32. Then next, cofactor of the element A11 is denoted by A11. A11 is equal to sign is minus 1 raised to 1 first row and first column, 1 plus 1 into M11 is equal to negative 1 raised to 2 is a positive 1 into determinant A22, A23, A32, A33. Cofactor of A11. Cofactor of A12, first row and second column, A12 is equal to sign is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, minus 1 raised to 1 plus minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, 3, that was negative. That is equal to minus 1 into determinant M12, A21, A23, A31, A33. Cofactor of element cofactor of A13 is equal to A13 is equal to minus 1 signed minor 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 1 minus 1 raised to 4 M14 1 3 is equal to positive 1, sign is positive, into determinant minor of 1 3 is delete the row and column containing the element 1 3 A1 3. So we get A21, A22, A31, A32. This is the, similarly we can find the second row element cofactor of the element A21, A22, cofactor of the element A23, that was denoted by capital A21, capital A22, A23, capital A31, A32, etc. going on. So this is the method to find cofactor. Cofactor of element is the signed minor of that element. Then similarly we can find A21. A21 is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 negative into M21, A22, cofactor A23, etc. Again, remember one thing, minor of an element of a determinant of order n is greater than or equal to 2, is the determinant of order n minus 1. Remember one thing, minor of an element of a determinant of order n by n is greater than or equal to, is the determinant of n minus 1. If the given determinant order is n, minor of one element is the order of n minus 1. Find cofactors of elements of the determinant 5, 3, 8, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Verify that A11 into A21 plus A12 into A22 plus A13 into A23 is equal to 0. This is a question, and delta is equal to, evaluate delta. Find the value of the determinant. Evaluate the determinant value. This is a question. Find the cofactors of the elements or elements 5, 3 of the determinant delta is equal to 5, 3, 8, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. First you find a cofactor of the element A11. A11 is equal to capital A11. 5 is equal to A1. that is the signed 1 minus 1 raised to 1 into m11 is equal to minus 1 raised to even number positive into minor of an element is the determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing 5. Then we get a determinant 0, 1, 2, 3. That is equal to 0 into 3 minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2. Similarly, cofactor of the element 3, that is equal to a12 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into m12 negative 1 all raised to 1 plus 2, that was negative, sign is negative, into m12 negative 1 into determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing 3. Then we get a determinant 2, 1, 1, 3 is equal to minus 1 into 2 into 3 minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus into 6 minus 1 is equal to minus 5. Similarly, cofactor of element 8 is equal to a13 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into minor of an element 1, 3 minus 1 raised to 4 positive 1 into minor of an element 8 is deleting the row and column containing 8. Then we get a 2, 0, 1, 2 is equal to positive 2 into 2 minus 1 into 0 is equal to 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Similarly, find the second row first element. Second row first element, cofactor of 2 is equal to a21 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 sign into m21 is equal to negative 1 into sign is negative second row first column into m2 delete the row and column second row and the first column. Then we get a determinant delete the row and column containing these two. Then we get a 3, 8, 2, 3 is equal to minus into 3 into 3 9 minus 2 into 8 16 is equal to minus into minus 7 9 minus 16 minus plus 7. Cofactor of this is similarly a22 is equal to sign is positive m22 is deleting the row and column containing 0. Then we get a determinant 5, 8, 1, 3 is equal to 15 positive 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. a23 is equal to sign is negative m23 negative into deleting the row and column containing this one. Then we get a 5, 3 determinant 5, 3 1, 2 is equal to minus into 5 into 2 5 into 2 10 minus 1 into 3 is equal to 7. A31 is equal to positive into deleting the row and column, third row and first column, then we get determinant 3801 is equal to 3 minus 0. 0 into 8, 3. A32 A32 is negative, deleting the row and column containing a third row and a second column. Then we get a determinant 5813. 15 minus 7, minus 7. A1, A3, 3, positive, minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3, positive, into M33, delete the row and column, determined to 5320. Then we get a 5 into 0, minus 6, minus 6. These are the 9 cofactors. Then verify that. Next question is verify that A11 first element into cofactor of first element 5 plus A12 first row second element into A12 into third element in the first row 1 3 into cofactor of the element 1 3 is equal to A11 5 into A21, this is 7 plus 3 into A22 7 plus 8 into A23 minus 7. This is the A23 is sign is negative, negative into 10 minus, minus 1 into minus 7. 35 plus 21 minus 56 is equal to 56 minus 56 is equal to 0. So we take, remember, the value first row element, if any element of the first row are multiplied by cofactors of the other row, then the result is their sum is 0. Then find delta. Another question is find delta. Delta is equal to A11 into capital A11 plus A12 into A12. Same. A13 into A13. Sum of the product of elements of R1 with their corresponding elements is the delta value. The value of the determinant is equal to sum of the product of elements of R1 with their corresponding cofactors. So this is the R1 sum of the product of elements of the row, first row with their corresponding elements. What is that value? A11 is 5 element. Cofactor of A11 is -2. A12 first row second element is 3 into cofactor of the element 3 A12 we get a -5 plus A13 third element in the first row 8 into cofactor of the 8 A capital A13 is equal to 4. Then result is -10 -15 plus 8 into 4 32 is equal to -25 plus 32 is equal to 7. Determined value is equal to. Similarly, this can done in 6 ways. That sum of the product of elements of R2 with their corresponding elements. Sum of the product of elements of R3 with their corresponding elements. Small letter A12 into capital letter A12 plus etc. going on. Delta is same as in another way. Second row A21 into A21 plus A22 into A22 plus A23 into A23. This is the method. This is the sum of the product of elements of second row with their corresponding cofactors. Similarly, data is equal to A31 into A31, A32 into A32 plus A33 into cofactor A33. Again, in 6 ways we can find the determinant value. Find the cofactors of elements of determinant 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4. Verify that A11 into A13, A12 into A31, sorry, A11 into A31 plus A12 into A32 plus A13 into A33. This is the sum of the product of elements of first row with their corresponding elements of third row is equal to 0. Find the cofactors of elements of delta is equal, determinant is equal to 1, 4, 9, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. This is the question. So, this is assignment question, assignment question. Find the cofactors of elements of delta. Determinant is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10 and 2, 3, 4. Find the cofactors of the determinant. Also evaluate delta. So we seen, remember the minor of an element of a determinant of order n is the determinant of order n minus 1. Cofactor of an element A ij is equal to signed minor of the element ij. That was capital A ij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into m ij. This remember. So,